Is it rolling? Okay. Should I just start anytime?
Yeah, whenever you feel like it, whenever your heart desires.
Okay, all right. What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another very exciting episode right here on the MIgardener channel. So Roma tomato is a determinant tomato. I don't know if you can see that layer. So, should I? Okay, we're gonna restart. Hey, we're gonna.
You had it upside down.
Oh, what? Oh. Tell my lips to stop getting hung up. Come scold me. I need like a motherly figure to come yell at me. Oh, I said you need to come scold me because I keep mumbling. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'll try. I'll do it for you. I keep messing up all my shots because I say vegetative and then my words just turn into like mumbo jumbo. Yeah. Pink elephant, pink elephant, pink elephant. This is a what is this? This is a money tree? Shoot, frick. Pilea. Okay, I'm just gonna restart. I know what I want to say though. I just didn't know if I didn't know if it could sustain me. I was gonna do a pull-up on it. My knees. These work conditions are terrible. But once it gets down to a certain point, well, I'll do you one better.
Where exactly?
What?
You're supposed to stay exactly where you are, so.
What?
Up. And snap forward again.
Fabric pots. I see it. Ammonium nitrate makes a chemical compound, ammonium and nitrogen. Frick. Ah! I hate this. This is going back to like college Chem 2 and organic chemistry. Okay. Did you take organic chemistry? Great. It's terrible. It's so confusing. Okay. So these is, shoot. Just got tongue-tied immediately. Oh my gosh, who is messaging me? For real. When it comes to having a sexy garden.
Yeah, perfect.
Someone said I should do an entire episode with a Donald Trump voice.
Oh, no.
And I'm like, today we're gonna start billions and billions. Billions and billions and billions and billions of seeds. Frankly, they call me the best seed starter. They call me the best seed starter. Frankly, the best. Okay. Most healthy looking seeds to produce a future crop.
I heard the crack, but.
Where did that water just fall from? Literally, I just got misted. Did you see that?
I heard it.
There was water that just, oh, dude.
Okay.
Did you see that? Did you hear me get shocked?
Yeah, I heard you get shocked. I saw that too. Well, don't do it again.
There's a lot of things that you do with a drunken sailor that kind of just gives you an idea of
What?
what would you do with a drunken sailor? What would you do with a drunken sailor? What would you do with a drunken sailor? You're lying in the morning.
I was confused.
Throw him overboard with his hands tied open. Shave his beard with a rusty razor. There's so many things. A huge mistake. As soon as you see one or two seeds germinating, take it and set it very far away. I'm gonna try to keep them. Oh, nice. That means it's above 100 degrees up there. Hey, audio check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Or coconut milk and stuff like that is a very small oh, sunshine, you ruined it. Okay, just turn my Wi-Fi off. See if it's just the Wi-Fi. See if it's the Wi-Fi. Trash. So how much time do you need? Are you gonna freeze frame it and do? All right, so the first thing you're going, wow, it's like, it's really raining. The reason why it's much smaller is because they grow little sprouts. Oh man, I knew what I was gonna say, and as soon as I started walking, I was more focused on not tripping over the cinder block that I forgot. My brain just had an absolute disintegration moment. He'll keep barking like that for minutes. All right, so let's get moth. Oh, hold on, I gotta. Most of the cilantro is in my pocket. I forgot about that. Now, a lot of people would feel like tomatoes are challenging, and that's because you're probably picking the wrong type of tomato, or you just, oh shoot, there's a customer. Hey, okay. So for seeds that you can't soak, but, okay. I get it, yeah. 3, 2, 1. This is, oh man. I'm nervous I'm gonna mess it up.
Nervous?
Yeah, I know. You're just turning.
Nice.
Sunshine, all these natural elements. Compost is a great resource. It's nice and warm in the greenhouse today. Wow. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, I gotta be kidding me. Yeah, gotta be. Okay, I like that, but I hated it at the same time. Tore my greenhouse. I hated all that. Let's restart. So, as always, take care. Grab your.
Oh, you feeling?
Yeah, but it's okay.
Well, I mean,
You're fine. As always, where did I leave off?
Go big or go home.
As always, this is Luke from the MIgardener channel reminding you to grow big or go home. We'll catch you guys later. See ya.